Stay clean and cozy out in the wild is very, very accurate. Honestly, I am just such a huge supporter of portable toilet seat covers because it just makes your life so much easier. And for someone who travels a lot, someone who's been in a lot of different places where I would have done almost anything for one of these, I am so grateful to have these from LooReady. So the first thing I love about these is that they are flushable, because I have had some, I have had like travel toilet seat covers before, but they weren't flushable. So it's nice that these can just flush right down, just like one that you would have in certain public restrooms. But also they came packaged so nicely as well. So I got 3 of these boxes. They all came stacked up nice and neatly. So you can take out as many as you need at a time. Me personally, I like to keep at least 2 of these in my purse at all times, because I just feel like stay ready so you don't got to get ready. So when you open them up, super easy to open too. Also important, okay? When you are in a scenario when you're about to use this, you want something that's easy to open, and these pass the test as well. And so once you open them up, this is what it looks like. Super, super simple. The material is actually a little bit softer than like paper toilet seat covers that I'm used to. So that's also a bonus, a little bit softer for the tush. And yeah, you know, it's for a standard size toilet. And like I said, it's still like, it's flushable. So it's super easy to use. You just open it and then you lie it down, you do your business, and then you can flush it down with everything else. So yeah, I highly, highly recommend grabbing some of these.